So we've made it to the last steps of this course. Everything we've been working on so far has led us up to this point. We're gonna learn our 6-string bar chords. And our 6-string bar chords are based off our E major shape. We've talked about our minor shape already. And then we have our 7th shape as well. So again, we're gonna essentially switch our fingers around so we can play these bar chords and just move them up and down the neck. We're gonna try an A major bar chord. So let's find our root. Our root is on 5th fret, and we're gonna bar across on that 5th fret. And then we'll put our ring finger on 7th fret of our 5th string. We're going to put our pinky down on 7th fret of our 4th string, and then middle finger is gonna go on 6th fret of our 3rd string. Make sure you're playing with the side of your finger, and if you need, keep your elbow close to your body and push down. So that is an A major bar chord. Now let's try the minor shape. All that's different is that we're gonna drop this middle finger. Now to try a 7th shape, we're going to drop our pinky and put our middle finger back on 6th fret of our 3rd string. So this is A7. So that's how I would recommend practicing. Find a root, so find your A root and do major, minor, and 7th. Highly recommend saying it out loud, like A major, A minor, and A 7th. Because it helps the brain-body connection. If you say it out loud, it tends to stick a little more. So to practice these bar chords, I would start with your F root. I know it's the hardest, but give it a go. So start with your F major, then try your F minor, then F7. Then move up to your G chord, G major. Now G minor, and try your G7. Okay, we've already done A major, but let's throw it in anyway. We're gonna do A major. Now try A minor, and try A7. Okay, moving to B, let's do B major, B minor, B7. All right, let's move to the C root. So C major, and C minor, and C7. Okay, it's gonna get a little tough up higher, especially if you're on an acoustic. Electric's not quite as difficult, but let's try D on our 10th fret. So we have D major, we have D minor, and we have D7. Okay, if you can, go all the way to your 12th fret. So that's, you might have double dots here. That's our octave from E. So 12th fret, we have E major, we have E minor, and we have E7. All right, so that's how I would practice. Practice saying the root and saying the quality like major, minor, or 7th. And that will help you memorize your roots and the qualities around the neck. So now if you're ready, I have some songs coming next for you to practice with these full bar chords.